In this video, I will show you how to know if your contacts are using Instagram. So to know if your phone contacts are using Instagram, after you open up your phone, now tap on this profile. After you open your profile, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu, now tap on this account center. Under this account center, scroll to down and tap on this your information and permission. Under this your information and permission, now tap on this upload contacts last option. After you tap on this upload contacts, now go ahead and select Instagram. After you select your Instagram account, so make sure you turn on this option. As you can see here, it says connect contact. So if you turn on this option, now Instagram will show you all the people that are using Instagram from your contacts. So now all you have to do now, tap on this back arrow, go back to home. After you come back to your home like this, as you can see now, tap on this following button. After you tap on this following, allow it to finish loading. Now scroll all the way to down. So as you can see now, after you scroll to down, as you can see, now tap on this see all. So under this see all, as you can see now, it says discover people. So as you can see now, all these people are from my contact. As you can see now, all these people, most of them, they will be from your contacts. So go ahead and select those that you recognize are from your contact and connect with them on Instagram. That's it, guys, on how to find your contact or how to know if your contact are using Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.